George Nikifor studied Dinka Schileru's life and struggle of social economic emancipation. He showed how Schileru took politics very seriously and tenaciously dedicated himself to the improvement of his native region.
Dinka Schileru a fost deputat în Parlamentul României, deși avea doar 40 de zile de carte.
Dinka Schileru was a member in the Romanian parliament, despite only having gone to school for 40 days, and then from 1887 until 1911. He did not use beautiful words, but had a talent for repeating his ideas until they stuck with the members of parliament. Here's an example. We have mines in Walsh. We have coal in Skella. He went to London with a piece of coal, showed it to the British MPs, told them where it came from, and that's how investors showed up in gold. He himself did some oil prospecting in Bulteni, the village of his wife, and it was later confirmed that there was indeed oil in the area. Schileru was therefore someone who was good at making money, and he also put his skill in areas other than agriculture and wood processing, even becoming a patron of the arts. George Nikifor explains.
Dinka Schileru avea un ziar propriu la un moment dat. Dinka Schileru avea un atelier